you have a copyright strike on your channel and YouTube is asking you to attend its copyright school? I see you are worried, but don't worry. What you need to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because in this video, I'm going to show you 7 sure ways you can fix the copyright trouble on your channel. Number 1, the first thing you do when you have a strike is go to YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, you check out which video is affected, who reported the strike, which part of the video is affected. This is going to help you to know what you are dealing with and what method to apply to fix the problem. So number 1 thing you do when you have a strike is head to YouTube Studio and check what the strike is about. Number 2, allow the strike to expire. Listen, every strike expires after 90 days. Now, when you have a strike and you have checked the options, you don't have any option to stop it before 90 days. All you need to do is to wait patiently for it to expire on its own. After 90 days, the strike will go away by itself. You don't have to do anything. But one thing you must do is to make sure that within these 90 days, you don't do anything, don't cause any violation that will give you another strike, because that will compound your problem. So solution number 2 is wait for the strike to expire by itself. Number 3, when you receive a copyright strike from YouTube, you will be asked to attend YouTube Copyright School. It's not a physical school. It is a school online. What you need to do in the school will be to watch a very short video. It's even less than 5 minutes. Then YouTube will ask you questions based on the video you have watched and you provide answers. Once you do this, you have shown YouTube that you are sorry for what you have done. And this will help to resolve the strike easily and restore the features you have lost. So number 3 thing to do when you have a strike, make sure you attend YouTube Copyright School to resolve the problem. And listen, fellow YouTubers, YouTube takes its copyright school very seriously. So if you have a strike and you have to attend a school, please take it seriously too. If you ignore it, it's going to impact dangerously on your channel, and surely you don't want that. So please, if you have a strike, even as we are speaking now, and you've been ignoring YouTube's copyright school, please, it's time to attend it. This will help you resolve that problem quicker than you even thought. Number 4, request reinstatements. Yes, YouTube understands that sometimes there could be a mistake. So when there's a copyright strike, YouTube also gives you the option to ask for your video to come back. But this is possible only if it was a mistake. So if that's the case, click request reinstatement and explain your reasons to YouTube. If you're right, of course, your video will be restored. But make sure that what you are asking, you are right. Because if you are not right, you could be penalized even more than before. Number 5, contact the copyright owner. In the beginning, I told you that if you have a copyright strike, go to YouTube Studio and check out who made the claim. So when you have found out who made the claim, you can contact the copyright owner. Contact the copyright owner and plead for mercy. Ask them to forgive you. If you are fortunate, they will agree, and they will send a letter to YouTube to forgive you, and the strike will be taken away. But I want to tell you, know that you committed an offense. So if you are contacting the owner, please be respectful about it. And if they refuse to agree, don't worry. It once happened to me. I got a strike on my other channel, and I followed this process. But I wrote a mail to the person, because YouTube provided the email of the copyright owner of the video that I took. I sent and I appealed, but the person never responded to me, and I had to wait for 90 days for it to expire. So if you do this respectfully, even if they don't respond, please leave it, because it is their right to agree or not to agree. So point number 5 is contact the copyright owner and ask for forgiveness. Number 6, send a counter notification. Humans being what we are, there are times people can claim your own video and they will report the video to YouTube, and YouTube, not knowing that the video doesn't belong to them, will give you a strike. So when you receive a strike and you have checked out the video and you are very sure that this video is yours, that there's no infringement, that you never took anybody's content, like I'm making this video now, it's 100% my video. If tomorrow I get a strike on it, I will have to contact YouTube and let them know that this is my video. Now, if you know, you are 100% sure that the video that got the strike is your own, please, you can send a counter notification explaining to YouTube that the video is yours. That is, if you have proof. This is a very serious matter, because if you do it and the other party disagrees because it is their own, it could become a legal battle. And of course, I know you don't want that. So please, you can only apply number 6. That is, you can send a counter notification only when you are sure that the video is your own. If not, leave it. Number 7, remove the copyrighted parts. Listen, if the affected part of the video is not, it's just a small fraction of the video or a background music, you can take it off. Use YouTube's editing tool to edit it and cut it off, or delete the entire video. Then rework the video, take off the affected parts and re-upload it. This, of course, will not take away the copyright strike, but it's going to do something for you. You will still gain back your video, re-upload it with a copyright issue. Who knows? That particular video may be the one that will blow up your channel and you make millions of dollars from it. So please, you can cut off the copyrighted parts of your video and still use the same video without any problem. So this is one way you can fix this problem. And like I said, it will not take off the copyright strike issue, but you will still gain your video and all your work will not go in vain. Thank you for watching. And if you found this useful, please like, share it with someone who's having copyright problem and others, so that they too can benefit. And if you have any questions, kindly leave it on the comment section and we will do well to answer. God bless you and keep safe.